Hi guys, let me tell you 6 important total station tips. Number 1, you need to set up your total station very well. So the correct way to set up your total station is that you have to level your tripod. Number 1. Number 2, you have to bubble the circular bubble. You have to center it. You have to center the circular bubble. And number 3, you have to center the plate bubble. So that is how to set up your total station correctly. Number 2, you have to set up good control establishment. You have to establish good control points, control network. So you have to have the control point, which most times is being used as the occupation point, and then another control point that will be used as backside. So ensure that you set up good control establishment so that you can always refer to this reference point. In surveying, the fundamental is from whole to parts. Number 3, you have to maintain a consistent cruising height. If you start at 1.8 meters or 2 meters, ensure that you maintain a consistent cruising height, because most times in every survey job, when you are having height discrepancy, it's usually because the pole height is inconsistent. So in order for you to have good reading, make sure that sometimes when possible use a bipod, so that the pole will be bubbled and it will just be stagnant. It will just be static. Ensure that your total station is calibrated properly, because as you are measuring, it is a machine. It is bound to be affected by wear and tear. So ensure that it's being calibrated. So calibrate your total station, if possible daily. Check that the horizontals and the verticals, they are okay. Check that the distance is okay. If it's not, maybe when you take multiple measurements, face left, face right, and you are seeing that you're having discrepancy, the angular error is very high, above 15 seconds, take it to a professional for calibration. Number 5 tip, ensure that you properly record your data and you properly save it. Most times, this total station, if you are using this total station, you can be storing what you do inside, but most times you might forget to click save. You might forget to click save if it's not automatic, if you did not put it on automatic. So, but when you are saving it and you are writing it, if you forget to save a point, you can recover that same measurement, the details, in your data field book. So also ensure that you transfer the data inside the memory of your total station regularly. Transfer it into wherever you save it, your database. Transfer it, so that in the case of failure of the electronic, it will not affect you that you lose your data. And number 6 tip, optimize proper shooting technique. Optimize proper targeting technique. Sometimes you might target a particular point, but you are not on the center of that point. So ensure that you target either by not targeting far distance, as close as possible to wherever you want to measure to, or you take multiple measurements and then record the average, or you do face left, face right, so that you can be sure that whatever you are measuring is optimal. So this, I hope with these 6 tips you can start having high level surveying with you can start carrying out high level surveying with your data station. Thank you.